are you?
I find you very thank you.
Okay. What is your full name?
My name full is Viviana Rodriguez Manrique.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Bogota.
With whom you live?
My family, husband, and my 2 children.
What is your occupation?
I am psychology student.
What do you like to do?
I like watch movies with family and read books.
Okay. Now can you talk to me about your working experience? Well,
I have built system techniques for years.
okay. Viviana, can you talk to me about your qualities and your skill related to your work?
My skills are I'm very punctual. I can hours as am teams. I am very self-autocritical and have leadership.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in fact?
Working in psychology.
Okay. And we do you want to work for us?
With the employer allows flexibility in the schedule.
Which are your expectation of salary?
I do not have a specific salary.
Okay. What would you do if a team member yells at you?
I keenly reply.
Okay, Viviana, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.